California, a state known for its stunning landscapes and diverse ecosystems, has been plagued by a severe fire crisis in recent years. The impact of these wildfires has been catastrophic, resulting in extensive loss of life and property. Managing and controlling these wildfires has proven to be a Herculean task. As of the latest reports, 24 lives have been tragically lost due to the ongoing fires, and the death toll continues to rise. The fires have scorched approximately 38,000 acres of land, leaving trails of destruction in their wake. About 12,000 houses have been damaged or completely destroyed, displacing thousands of families. An estimated 1,000 families have been forced to evacuate their homes, seeking refuge and safety elsewhere. The scale of devastation highlights the immense challenges posed by wildfires in California, not only for emergency responders but also for policymakers and the communities affected. Fire requires three essential components to ignite and sustain itself: heat, fuel, and oxygen. These elements form the fire triangle, which underscores the fundamental conditions necessary for combustion. Without any one of these components, a fire cannot exist. Whenever we hear or read about wildfires, it is common to attribute their occurrence to human activities, such as negligence during camping, discarded cigarettes, or electrical short circuits. While human actions are undoubtedly responsible for many incidents, natural phenomena can also trigger fires. This realization challenges conventional views and calls for a deeper understanding of wildfire causes. Two particularly intriguing natural factors have emerged from research as potential causes of wildfires: water droplets and birds. Water is universally recognized as a key element for extinguishing fires. However, under certain conditions, it can paradoxically act as a fire starter. This phenomenon, though counterintuitive, is rooted in the optical properties of water droplets. Water droplets are naturally spherical, which enables them to act as tiny magnifying glasses. When sunlight passes through these droplets, the rays are concentrated into a single focal point. If this focal point falls on dry vegetation, it can generate enough heat to ignite a fire. A groundbreaking study conducted at Eötvös Loránd University in Budapest by Dr. Gabor Horváth provided compelling evidence of this phenomenon. The research demonstrated that certain types of leaves, particularly those with fur or waxy coatings, can hold water droplets for extended periods. These surfaces enhance the likelihood of sunlight concentrating through the droplets, thereby creating the ideal conditions for fire ignition. Examples of such leaves include those of pine trees, which are known for their waxy texture and flammable nature. This phenomenon is most likely to occur on sunny days, especially during the daytime, rather than during winter or nighttime. Regions with dry grasslands are particularly prone to such fires, as the abundance of dry vegetation provides ample fuel for ignition and rapid spread. Another remarkable discovery in the field of wildfire research involves the role of birds, specifically certain species that intentionally spread fire. In 1980, a firefighter operating in a national park reported witnessing an astonishing event. A wild bird was seen picking up burning embers or pieces of wood from an already ignited area and dropping them onto unburnt grassy land. The behavior seemed deliberate, as the bird repeated this action multiple times. Other birds were also observed engaging in similar activities. This curious behavior raised an important question. Are these birds unaware of the consequences of spreading fire, or do they possess a level of awareness and intent behind their actions? A particularly notorious group of birds known as firehawks has been identified as culprits in spreading forest fires. These birds intentionally carry burning twigs or embers and drop them in unburnt areas of the forest. The purpose behind this behavior is strategic. By igniting new fires, the birds flush out prey from their hiding places, making them easier to catch. In 2018, the Journal of Ethnobiology published an article documenting the fire-spreading behavior of these wild birds. The study provided scientific validation of what had long been considered anecdotal reports. The discoveries of natural fire causes, such as water droplets and birds, challenge traditional notions of wildfire management. They highlight the complexity of fire dynamics and the need for a broader understanding of both human and natural factors contributing to wildfires. While the focus has often been on human activities as the primary cause of wildfires, recognizing the role of natural phenomena opens up new avenues for research, prevention, and mitigation strategies. Addressing these challenges requires collaborative efforts between researchers, policymakers, and communities to develop innovative solutions that safeguard lives, property, and ecosystems from the devastating impacts of wildfires.